Well, I guess we're going to start now. I was just checking to see if I could change the lighting, and it decided to record, so let's go ahead and go then. This is the review of the Pretty Poison palette by Bad Habit. It's an old one, but I do enjoy it. So let's do the first row. And I just swirl it around 3 times. And I'm going to put the swatches pretty close together so you can see them pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of them off first, and then I will show you all of the colors on my arm here. Okay, and now for the next row. Okay, and each one will appear a little bit more brighter simply because I am wiping my hands off in between with the wet wipe. So then you will be able to tell that. Okay, and now for the last row. Ooh. All right. Tell how pigmented it is by all that's left still on the fingers even after the swatches. So this is definitely not a wimpy palette. So let's go into the colors and I'll tell you the names and what I think of them. And then we'll give you the number of the review. So the first color here is called Ensnared from the top row. And it's a very light pink, like kind of like, well, not like a pink. Yes, a very light pink toned matte. And then the next one is called Venomous. And this is a blue toned shimmer purple. The next one is called Pierced Heart. And this one is almost like a pink with like a purple, just like ever so slightly, more like what you would refer to as a mauve tone. And that one is a matte, Pierced Heart. The next one is Femme Fatale. This is a hot pink shimmer that has a little bit of warmth to it. And then we have your Paralyzed, which is a golden shimmer. And then this one here is called Love Sick. And I would consider this a matte. It's a hot pink matte, more like a warm toned red. And the next one is called Antidote. And this is a very deep, rich matte brown. And then the next one is called Intoxicated. And it is a matte purple, like good, strong purple. And the next one is called Chemistry. And this is an interesting one. To me, it's almost like a light pink, but with that purple, more of a mauve tone, but with a shimmer. And the next one is called Deadly Dose. And this is like a mid-toned brown color with some warmth to it because it does have that red undertone to it, warm orangey tone to it. And this next one is the bottom row is called Lethal. And this one's really unique. It's like a black gray shimmer tone to it. And the next one is called Nectar. And this one is interesting. It's a white shimmer. It's probably a little bit more chunky than the rest of the shimmers. And it seems to have a nice white and pink tone to that one, the shimmer. And the next one is called Jealousy. And this is a very nice, like a wine color, like a red wine color tone to it. And this next one here, I hope you can see, yep, I'll turn it like that, is called Nightshade. And that's a matte light purple But it's actually not like a light purple, it's more like a mid-toned purple, because it will look darker if you put it on your eyelid. And then the last one I had to sneak in here is called Sting, and it's a golden shimmer, more of a darker tone with some of those black flecks in there. So this is definitely a very pigmented palette, mostly warmer tones. As you saw, it blended pretty easily, so I didn't have any problems with that. The shimmers perform well, and so do the mattes. I really haven't had any problems at all with this palette with blending or with anything not looking right. And so the score that I'm going to give, because it does have a few lighter tones, some mid-tones, and some really deep tones, is all in all, I'm going to give it a good solid 5. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day, and as always, please be kind. Thank you.